Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can enter or embed HubSpot forms onto WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, you're going to need a form ready on HubSpot, and you're going to need a website or a page ready on WordPress, and you should use a WordPress premium subscription. I'll explain why later, but it is in regards to some certain plugins that you might need to use. So firstly, I'm just going to show you how to embed it, and then I'm going to go over potential problems and how you can fix them. Now, as I mentioned, you need to already have a form on HubSpot. So let's navigate to our forms, which are under marketing, go into forms, and I already have some test forms, which are just automatically generated by HubSpot. And I'm just going to choose one of them. I'm just going to go to this new registration form, which is just, I'm not sure what it consists of. Pretty sure it's maybe empty or has like 3 or 4 arbitrary fields. Then just go into actions, click share, and you're going to go to the embed code or the share link and click copy. I'm going to do it with the link, and now we need to go over to our HubSpot. Now from here, go into pages and select whichever page you would like to edit, and then from there you can start adding the embed block. Once you open up the editor, just click here on the page, click on the plus to start editing blocks, scroll down until you get to the embed block, which is under themes. Under embeds, just get this. This is the embed code that I tested out earlier. It doesn't work for some reason. And now if you go into embed URL, you can use either the URL or you can go here and edit as HTML. It really doesn't matter. You just need to copy the code if you're using HTML. If you're using the embed URL, just copy the URL. It really doesn't matter. Enter the URL, paste it, click embed. And as you'll see, it is not working for some reason. I'm not sure why this happens. For some people it works, for some people it doesn't. Now for this, you're going to need to use a HubSpot plugin for WordPress by going back into your WordPress site or your dashboard. You're going to go into the plugins. Now for this, you do need a premium subscription, which I've mentioned. So if we go into plugins and search for the HubSpot one, this is where it is located. You just click on that, and as you can see, you need to upgrade and activate. But once you activate this, it does allow you to embed your forms. As far as I know, it fixes some certain issues, so you can just use HubSpot forms from the dashboard here and embed them into your site. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.